way out where the planets do the hula. Spin and shout till you find yourself on Zula. Let's take off, we're all ready to roll. It's fun to learn with the Zula Patrol. Wake up, Gorga, it's time to play. Come on, Captain Bula, let's welcome the day. Where's that cedar? Ready to go. Wizzy and Wig are good to glow. Beakers bubbling, turning blue. Molto's making something new. Way, way out where the planets do the hula. Spin and shout till you find yourself on Zula. See your round walls at mission control. It's fun to learn with the Zula Patrol. Way, way out where the planets do the hula. Spin and shout till you find yourself on Zula. See your round walls at mission control. It's fun to learn with the Zula Patrol.
Space, exciting, ever-changing. A place where you never get bored.
I am so bored!
Space, a place where you never say never.
We've been on patrol for hours and there's nothing happening. Sure there is, Zeter. We're counting all the food and supplies on the ship.
According to my count, we have enough supplies to stay on patrol 87.3 more days without ever landing.
Oh, it may take me longer than that to finish this silly jigsaw puzzle.
I go next to a white piece.
I go next to a white piece.
Yes, I know. You all go next to a white piece. Oh.
Yeah, hilarious. The last time one of you guys said something funny was before the Big Bang.
My, testy, aren't we? For such a soggy little planet.
Yeah, maybe she sprung a leak.
Ha ha. My polar ice caps are melting with laughter.
Did anyone hear something? Oh, it's Earth! Sorry, I thought you were a gumball.
Very funny, Slim. At least I can see over my equator. Look, why don't you guys just go back to your own little paths around the sun and stay out of my spot?
Yeah, and just what makes you think you got the right to such a cushy spot anyway, huh?
What do you mean? I've always been the third planet from the sun.
True, but I think your spot is perfect for moi. Not too warm, not too cold. I want it.
Hey, back off! All of yous!
I deserve it more than you.
You're just being selfish.
I want it.
It's
Yeah, but I want it.
I want it.
All right, that's it! I am so over this solar system. I'm gonna go find some other star to travel around.
That's my spot.
I have her spot.
I got it.
25 solar flare upside down cakes. 15 cases of jet jerky.
Well, that does it. Say, has anybody seen my laser pen?
There it is!
Thanks, Wizzy.
My pleasure, Bula. Hey, I helped find it too.
Oh, my goodness! Something is terribly wrong in the solar system. Planets are bumping into one another.
This is a job for the Zula Patrol.
Finally, some excitement!
I'm not listening. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh, look! The planets are all out of place. No, wait. Is that all of them? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. No, I already counted that one. 3, 8. Oh dear, I'd better start again. Wait a minute.
What is it, Molto?
There's a planet missing. Earth is supposed to be 3 planets away from the sun, and she's gone.
Maybe she just wants to be on her own.
Oh, it's not that simple, Wig. Earth is a bit like this one puzzle piece.
I go next to a white piece.
Yes, you do. Because you're needed as part of this whole puzzle. You're an important part of a larger whole.
Let's check the Multopedia.
Earth is also an important part of a larger whole. It's part of the whole solar system, which is made up of the sun and everything in space that travels around the sun, including the known planets. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no! The solar system is part of an even larger system called the Milky Way galaxy. You see how it works?
I get it. Just like your house is part of your block. And your block is part of your neighborhood, right?
Precisely. And just think, if you took one house away, the neighborhood just wouldn't be the same anymore. An important part of it would be missing.
It's sort of like this bacon brickle bar is part of a whole case of yummy snacks. And that case is part of the whole food supply for the ship.
Why, that's very observant of you, Wizzy.
Aww.
Zeter, fire up the hyper boosters. Issue an all planets bulletin. We'll find Earth or I'm not Bula from Zula.
Great, Gorga. Boy, no matter what I do, no one ever seems to notice. Still no sign of Earth? What's happening?
Zeter, fly directly into this disturbance. There's something strange going on.
Earth! We found Earth!
Whoa!
Oh my! You look sick!
Thanks.
Yeah!
I got a kind of a cold in my polar ice cap.
Oh dear! I guess you're not used to being this far from the sun!
Yeah, it's not exactly beach weather out here.
I'll bet. And the sun is such a big, beautiful, toasty ball of warmth. I'm sure she'd love for you to come back home where you belong.
Yeah, well, don't hold your breath, Greenie. The view was nice, but the neighbors weren't.
You know, even if she wanted to go, she'd never make it back to the solar system in this condition.
Then there's only one thing to do. Let's get her back to Zula.
Whoa!
Great galaxies! It's a Vetusian vortex!
No sweat! I've flown through those things a million times!
Yeah, but never towing a whole planet.
Well, there's a first time for everything. Redirecting all onboard power to the thrusters.
Zeter, we can't see where we're going without our lights.
We'll never make it back to Zula. Oh, yes, we will. I'll light the way.
Mid-course correction, 28 degrees retrograde.
I'm on it. Hang on.
Oh, what a ride! I think I'm gonna toss my continents.
Way to go,
Congratulations.
Wig. Without you. Great job, Wig.
Hey, thanks for the volcano steam, Boop. It helps.
Whoa, whoa! Oh, boy, you don't look so good.
Gee, thanks. This from a flying flashlight.
Goodness, wouldn't you rather be back home near the sun?
Why? So I can go around in circles with a bunch of planets who don't appreciate me? Forget about it.
Hey, sometimes I feel like no one appreciates me. But then I remember that I'm part of something bigger. I'm an important part of the Zula Patrol team.
You mean Just like I'm an important part of the whole solar system.
You got it.
Gee, you know, I'm starting to feel a whole lot better. Hey, you got a tissue?
That's right.
Things will look fabulous then.
Excuse me, neighbor. You're in my spot.
Hey, look who's back.
That's right, and I'm staying. The solar system wouldn't be the same without me. I got an important place, and that place is right here.
Yes, it is good to have a bit of order restored around here.
I agree. I couldn't really squeeze into that little spot anyway. I need more of a relaxed fit.
Yeah, and your path was way too slow for me. Hey, glad to see you, Earthy.
Yes, sorry we made fun of you. We weren't being good sports. Welcome back.
Yes, thanks to the Zula Patrol, all is right in the universe once again. And thanks to Earth, I've got a cold in my nose. All right, everyone, it's time for our motto moment. Earth is a bit like this one puzzle piece.
I go next to a white piece.
Yes, you do, because you're needed as part of this whole puzzle. You're an important part of a larger whole. Let's check the Multopedia. Earth is also an important part of a larger whole. It's part of the whole solar system, which is made up of the sun and everything in space that travels around the sun, including the known planets. But it doesn't stop there. Oh no! The solar system is part of an even larger system called the Milky Way galaxy. You see how it works?
I get it. Just like your house is part of your block. And your block is part of your neighborhood, right?
Precisely. So look around and see how you, your neighbors, your block, your neighborhood, everything is part of something larger. Part of a larger whole. And enjoy it all!